have a smartphone with internet connection, you can earn money online, stay home without any investment. This video, I'm teaching you that 5-minute easy skill which you can learn it easily and understand it and work it on your mobile phone and earn money online, stay home without any investment. If you want to earn $100, $200 and $300 easily, so this video is very important for you. How to make money online without any investments, stay home without any hard work or learning. Let's get move. In here I am telling you two websites, which one website is which you can goes and work, and then second number website is that which the jobs already are available. You goes there and also be click on apply. The website which the jobs are already are available, so goes there and click on apply. So open the Google Chrome and search here design crowd and click the search button. You can see that this type desktop open on screen, so must be click on first link, and this type of desktop open on your screen. How to create account, click on profile option, and this type desktop open on screen. So write your first name, last name, email, password, and also we click the I am a customer or I am a designer. So we are designer, so must be click the designer and click the continue button. And now how to complete your profile, so enter your first name, last name, select your country, and also select your payment method, PayPal or Payoneer, select one of them, and now hit the create and continue button. Hence you have created account successfully. Hence my profile is at 42% completed. For completing 100% added more, just add your profile pics, add an about to your profile, review and accept the design crowd quality, submit your first design. And now let's move to the work. Now hit the browse jobs and search your skill type jobs, and now here find your jobs related to your skill. And now I am search here business logo, and now you can check that $150 giving for making a business logo. At the second you can check that $300 for giving a for making a business logo. Here you can see that there are many jobs are available, which you can hit the apply option for applying these jobs. If you have this skill for making a business logo, and if you have another skill, click the search option and search your skill type jobs here. Work on this websites and add money online, stay home without any investments, without any hard work. Main heading and main information which you can understand for making a logo, so must be click any one jobs, and here you can see that the instruction, the informations and important contents are be given in this jobs, which color can be used for making a logo, which text can be used, and which font can be used. All information are given here, so must be read it carefully and apply it. When we read all informations about logo, all instruction about logo, how to make logo, which color can be used, which font can be used, and which text can be used, when you make logo related to all information, all instruction. Now let's move to the we have making logo for client. So finally open the Google Chrome on your device and search here canva.com. Now here search logo for your needs. Here you can see that there are many business logos are available, which one you can choose it, edit it, and also be saved it to your gallery and send to client and earn money online, stay home without any investment. When you saved your design, so must be go back to your profile and click the submit your design. So choose the logos and send to this client. Your design, your logo submitted successfully to your client. If you comes first time on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to receive more tech freelancing online earning video first of all.